Yes, good evening guys to all of you. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? So this is a specific session where we are going to solve some questions from engineering mathematics. And this session is going to be very helpful for those students who are going to appear in engineering services examination on 18th of February. Because in paper 1, you know, mathematics is having a weightage of you can say nearly from 5 to 15% as per the rule. But generally it is always on the higher side and it is a common subject for all the branches. Okay, so we are going to start. We are having questions on all the topics like matrix, calculus, differential equation, complex numbers, and also on the Laplace and numerical methods. Okay, so we would be starting guys, and this is some detail about me. And guys, this is the Telegram channel link Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, where you will get the PDF of this particular session. So please quickly tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? And let me check otherwise. And I would also like to tell you guys here one thing, that this is the part of a wonderful series. This session is a part of a wonderful series that is nothing but the non-tech express. In this already aptitude sessions are done, already SQP session. So you know there are some subjects. So now I am taking mathematics. Tomorrow I would be taking the basics of project management. Then day after tomorrow I will be taking basics of material science. So these 3 sessions I am taking. After that Suraj Gopi sir will be taking. Likewise all the topics are covered for you one by one. Okay. So guys, this is the very first question in front of you, and you can see this is the question where you need to find out the rank. So am I properly audible and visible guys? Shall we start the session? We are having 15 plus question today guys. So we are having 15 plus question today. Okay, actually if I say completely total, it is not 15, it is actually 19 questions. So we are going to cover one by one. If you see, this matrix is given, and you should know that in the ESE paper 1 every question would be of 2 marks, you know that. Okay, so this is the question where you need to find out the rank. So if you see, Aniket, okay, only one side audio. Okay. Let me check if that is the issue. Now you can tell me, Aniket. Now can you tell me, Aniket? Now can you tell me, Aniket? Now you can tell me, Aniket. Now can you tell me, Aniket? Yes, I feel now it is audible. So Sandeep have given the answer to be B. That is 1, and I would like to say that Sandeep's answer is correct, because here if you will see that here this row is 2, -3 and -1, -4, 6 and 2. So if you just say R2 is if you see R2 carefully, it is nothing but -2 times of R1. Okay, so that is why if I would be making an operation, that R2 will be multiplied, or you can say I can operate R2 and that it is going to be plus or minus. It is going to be minus or plus 2 times of R1. If I will be doing this operation, you know, second row will become 0. Similarly, if you see the third row, I can operate R3, and if I will be operating R3 -3 times of R1, operating these two, you know, both the rows will become 0. And if both the row will become 0, the matrix A will remain this 2, 3, -1. This will become 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we would be having only one row with the non-zero element. So that is why the rank is going to be 1 for this, and answer is B for this. Very good guys. Yes, Omkar, very good. So moving to the next question. Okay, I feel Sandeep have given the right answer, Omkar have given the right answer. Moving to the second question guys. Once again you need to tell the rank of this matrix guys. Once again you need to tell the rank of this matrix. Let us see how many of you are giving the right answer. What should be the rank of this matrix guys? So we are having questions from all the areas. Okay, so guys, as I am telling you that today is engineering mathematics. Tomorrow at the same time we will meet for basics of project management. Okay, and then on Monday we will be meeting for basics of material science. And already you know that we are running the premiere of marathons, which you can also attend. to revise once. Here also rank of A needs to be calculated, guys. Here you can go with direct calculation. You will get the idea because here not much calculations are there. Okay, Srinath is saying D, Rohit is saying C. Okay. What about others? What about others? Please tell me, guys. What about others? Please tell me. Yes, Aniket. Sandeep is saying C. Okay. So I would like to say that C is the right answer. Because when you will be finding out the determinant of A, like you will be going for 2 minus 3 minus 4, 3 minus 2, 5, 1, 1, 1. Going through this you will get 0. So it means rank of A cannot be 3. It should be less than 3 only. Okay. So this will tell us that rank of A is going to be less than 3. Then I will take 2 cross 2 any determinant, like if you take this, you will be getting 2 minus 2 is minus 4 plus it is going to be non-zero. So that is why the rank of matrix is going to be C. That is 2. So guys, moving to the next question, question number 3. This is using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. You need to proceed. Question number 3, this is, guys. So just try to solve it. We are having approximately 20 questions, guys. Okay. So just solve this question. You need to find out the value of A8. A ki power 8. You need to find out the value of A ki power 8. Just try to solve it, guys. Just try to solve it. Everybody. Mathematics and aptitude are two subjects which will help you to qualify ESE paper 1 easily. Okay. And if you see my subjects, specifically project management, that is related to the civil and mechanical engineering purely. Okay, material science is also, you can say you have studied in 12th class chemistry first chapter. So those things can make you easily qualify in the exam. So you need to identify the topics cleverly. Yes, everybody. Everybody. So you know, first of all, you have to go with the characteristic equation. Sandeep, the minimum cutoff is 15% actually. So out of 200 marks, minimum 30 marks you need to score. After that only your paper will be checked. Okay, so minimum cutoff is there, but that is very easily achievable. And I don't feel if you are not qualifying that, even though after counting you will be qualifying. So yes, 15% of minimum cutoff is there for ESE paper 1. Okay. Okay, Omkar is saying the answer to be C, that is 625I. What about others? What about others? Omkar have given the answer to be C. No, Sandeep, as I said, 30 marks is the minimum you have to score in paper 1. You cannot skip it. Whatever, if you even get 300 out of 300 in paper 2, it is not going to be working in your favor. But the point is, even in paper 2, that score is not achievable. The point is that. Okay, because they make the paper in that way that you will not be able to get that kind of marks. Okay. So Samriddhi is saying the answer to be C. Srinath is saying C. C is the right answer. So guys, when you will be going for A minus lambda I, determinant to be equals to 0. Okay. So when you will be doing this, I am writing the equation. What you will be getting? You will be getting lambda square minus 5 is equals to 0. So when we are getting lambda square is equals to 5, you know you will be putting lambda is equals to A, and this will become A square is equals to 5 times of I. You need to go for A ki power 8. So you would be taking cube on both the sides. Okay. And when you will be going for, okay, so when you will be going for what? Going for 5I. So when you will be going for cube of this, you would be getting cube or power 4. Power 4 I feel so na. So when you will be going for that, you will be getting 625I. So answer will be coming out to be C for this. Okay, very good guys. Moving to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is you need to tell about the eigenvector. So I have covered majority all the topics. Okay, this is an eigenvector of the matrix. This is the matrix given to you. These are 4 options in front of you. So just try to solve it, guys. First of all, find out the eigenvalue. Then you will be able to find out the eigenvector. Everybody. Question number 4 it is. We have 15 more questions. Yes. Solve it, guys. First of all, go for eigenvalues, then you will go for eigenvectors. Do like and share the session, guys. So you can see gate is over. Now we are coming with engineering services sessions. We will also come up with some bark sessions, so don't worry about that. Srinath is saying A is the answer. What about others? Srinath is saying A is the answer. What about others? Sandeep, Samriddhi, Aniket. First of all, you would be going like this only. A minus lambda I is equals to 0. So this will give you lambda is equals to 1, 1. You would be getting eigenvalue as 1, 1. Okay, very good, Abhishek. So once you are going to get this eigenvalue, now you would be going for A minus lambda I is equals to 0. And when you will be going for this A minus lambda I, lambda is also 1. So you would be having here 0, 0, and when you will be going for the next part, it is going to be 1 and 0. And you would be multiplying it obviously with the x. So here you would be writing xy is equals to 0. This will give you 0 into x, 0, 1, y is equals to 0. When y is equals to 0, obviously you will be considering x as a constant k or constant c. So when you will be taking this x as a constant c or k, you know I can write x is equals to k0 or k10. Answer will be A for this. So A is the right answer for this. Yes, everybody, those who have given the answer, that is correct only. Moving to question number 5, guys. This is the system of equation. So if you see, Abhishek, yaar, I am not I am not asking. Yes, there are, and I have taught also many things like that. But right now, here I cannot solve with all the methods. No? I need to go with the method which everybody understands. Okay. So if you know shortcut, that's great. Keep it. In mathematics, every question can be solved by a number of methods. And teaching part we have already covered before gate in the marathons and sessions. This is if the system x minus ky plus z is equals to 0, kx plus 3y minus kz is 0, 3x plus y minus z is 0, has a unique solution, then. So you need to try this, guys. This is from system of equation, and I feel you can identify this is homogeneous. Solve it. Yes, yes, yes. Homogeneous system of equations. And guys, after this session, if you have appeared for XC paper, you can share your experience of the paper, what kind of questions came, from which topics question came. Yes, tell me, guys, tell me. you need to write 1 minus k, 1 k, 3 and minus k. That is what you need to do if it is having a unique solution. This will give you the answer. Solve it guys. This is the last question from linear algebra. Then we are having the questions on calculus, then differential equations and so on. Solve it guys. Okay, thank you Sandbok. This is a practice session, but I have already taught for all the topics before exam except 1 or 2. Actually in offline I used to teach, but in online I was having too much load on technical, so you have never seen before me, otherwise you would have seen. But right now also I am taking it on YouTube from last 6 to 8 months. Okay guys, so Abhishek, लगाओ भाई shortcut यहाँ भी कोई. Srinath is saying the answer is B. Okay. So are you sure that it is B or D? It is B or D. Please check once. It is B or D. B or D. Because for unique solution you are having the not equals to sign na. Thanks Sandbok, because you are from civil, and that's why these subjects you have mentioned. Srinath is saying D, Sandeep is saying D. Yes, everybody D is the right answer. So when you will be solving this, just expand it. 1 into, it is minus 3 plus k minus k plus 3k plus 1 k minus 9. When you will be equating it to 0, it is not equals to 0. So you would be getting k not equals to 2, k not equals to minus 3. So answer is D. The problem is like you have done it in place of D, you have written B. The same mistake you can do in exam also. So you need to take care of that. Okay. So moving further guys, question number 6. This is from calculus. And here you need to use the Lagrange mean value theorem, LMVT. Try to solve it guys. Try to solve it. F dash x is 1 by 5 minus x square. F0 is 1. Then the lower and the upper bounds of F1 estimated by mean value theorem are. Okay. So you need to apply LMVT 0 to 1. That is what you need to do. Okay. So you can try now by yourself and we will see. Solve it. Calculus question guys. So this is from differential calculus. Next question will be coming from derivatives once again. So 2 to 3 from differential, 2 to 3 from integral calculus I kept. One question we have from Laplace also, one from numerical method also, one from complex variables also, and 2 from differential equation, 2 from probability as well. Everybody. Okay, anybody is trying this? So you would be writing f of 1 minus f of 0. 1 minus 0 is 1 upon 5 minus x square. This is how you will be applying LMBT, and f of 1 minus f of 0 is coming out to be 1 by 5 minus x square. From here f of 1 is, now put x is equals to 0, this value will be coming out to be 1 by 5, 6 by 5, and when you will be putting x is equals to 1, you would be getting 1 by 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. So I feel the answer should be 5 by 4, 6 by 5. 5 by 4 and 6 by 5. 5 by 4 and 6 by 5. I feel answer should be A for this. Okay? Everybody understood this question? Moving to the next one. You need to estimate it by mean value theorem. Okay? Because I have put in the value of f0, that is equals to 1. Putting it 1, it will be coming on the right hand side, this. Okay, answer is A for this. Moving to question number 7. Before that, I would like to tell you guys, like on 14th of February, there is a workshop, and this workshop is related to detail 1 year preparation for GATE 2025. If any of your juniors or you are looking for GATE 25 preparation, you can get the entire roadmap by Rakesh Talreja sir, and this is on 14th February 7:30 p.m. and this will be on Byjus exam prep app. Okay, link is there in the description. You can register for free. Now next question is from integral calculus, question number 7. Try to solve it, guys. Good question, easy question. Hope you guys will give the right answer for this. Question number 7. And guys, don't worry, after engineering services, we will also come up for the session for BARC. Okay, so every exam we are covering for you. You can see first we have taken sessions on ISRO also, GATE also, then GATE XC also, now ESE also. So BARC also we will not leave. What would be the answer, guys? Function is cos x log 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. Tell me, guys. Integration going from minus half to plus half, it is finite integral. You need to use the properties, solve it and get the answer. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Not that much time taking it is. Check it, odd function, even functions. Okay, Omkar is saying the answer to be A. Monu Raj Yadav, A. Very good. What about others? Sandeep is saying C. Okay, so I would like to tell you guys the answer here will be A, because let us consider fx cos x log 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So we will be putting minus x in place of x. It would be cos of minus x log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. You know that if I would be seeing these two are inverse of each other, I can also write it as minus. Cos of minus x is cos of x. Log of, as I have taken minus 1, it can be written as 1 plus x by 1 minus x. And it is nothing but minus of fx. It means odd function. For odd function, integration from minus half to plus half will be 0. Answer will be A for this. Very good, Srinath. I feel, Sandeep, you understood. Moving to question number 8. This is the partial derivative problem. Try to solve it, guys. I am giving you one hint that du by dx is equals to del u by del x. Okay. Plus del u by del y. So just try to solve it. This is the hint for you guys. You need to find out for this. And the relation given for y and x is this. So dy by dx will be coming from here. And this is your u. Solve it. Question number 8 for you. We still have 11 question more. Solve it, solve it, solve it, guys. Yes, everybody. You want du by dx, total derivative with respect to x, del u by del x. Consider y constant, 2xy, plus del u by del y, x square, dy by dx. For dy by dx you have equation x square plus xy plus y square is equals to 1. 2x plus x dy by dx plus y plus 2y dy by dx is equals to 0. This will give you the value of dy by dx. And dy by dx I have calculated for you. Here also I have calculated. So I am writing the result what I am getting from here. It is minus of 2x plus y and x plus 2y. You can see from here that is what it's coming. It is 2x. It will be going on that side minus 2x. Okay, so that's why minus is coming. So this is dy by dx. Now I will be putting this value here. Putting this value here. And you will be getting du by dx. Du by dx will be coming 2xy plus x square minus is there 2x plus y, x plus 2y. What is the right answer, guys? Can you say that? Answer is going to be A. Everybody, very good, guys. So moving to the next question. Question number 9. This is one more question. After that we have differential equations. sorry, vector calculus. Last question from calculus, then we will have question from vector calculus. Yes. So u sine inverse x by y cos y by x. You can see this is homogeneous with degree 0. U is homogeneous with degree 0. Okay, so now you know what you need to do. This is very easy to understand now. You can try this. Yes, everybody. Very good, Omkar. Question number 9 it is. We are still left with 10 more questions, guys. We can write x ux y uy is equals to 0. From here you will be getting the value of ux by uy. It is minus y by x. D is the right answer. Okay, so don't worry, actually from partial derivatives this much questions are not coming. I have taken 2 questions, but now this is important for engineering services. Directional derivative. We are given f x y z x square y z plus 4x z square at this point along this vector. You need to tell the directional derivative. This is important. So try to solve this question. You need to find out okay. You solve by yourself directional derivative at point P. Okay, and along that vector it is. So what you will be going for, del phi a vector by a vector ka mode, where this is a vector. This is a hint from my side. In GATE also we have seen many questions of that type. So try to solve it, guys. Okay, and yes, you will be putting the value of coordinates of point P. Try to solve it, guys. This is a good question, directional derivative. After that we have probability questions. After that we have probability questions. I feel everybody understand what I need to do. Del f, del x I cap, del f, del y j cap, del f, del z k cap at point P. Then a vector by a vector ka magnitude. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to y, z, put the values. Very simple, guys. It is not difficult. If you know the procedure, it is not difficult. Okay, so if you would be going for del f by del x, you will differentiate it with respect to x. It will becomes 2x yz plus 4z square I cap plus del f by del y. It will be x square z, there is no y, j cap, plus it is x square y plus 4x into 2z k cap. This is del phi. Okay, and at which point you need to do this? 1 minus 2 minus 1, and then you will be multiplying it with 2i cap minus j cap minus 2k cap 2 का स्क्वायर, 1 का स्क्वायर, 2 का स्क्वायर. That will be your answer. Everybody, Omkar, Srinath, I have written the solution part in front of you guys. Monuraj, Sandeep. This is from vector calculus, and tomorrow we will be having the session on basics of project management. Solve it, guys. अरे भाई कोई ट्राई कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है? When you will put the value of x, y and z here, what are we getting, guys? What are we getting? One minus two. 1 minus 2 and minus 1. Then once again here minus 1. Tell me guys. Anybody is getting 37 by 3? Tell me, guys. So I am telling you, after putting the values, you would be getting 8 I cap, because I have already solved it for you, minus j cap and minus 10 k cap. We were already having in multiplication 2 I cap minus j cap minus 2 k cap. And here we are going to have root of 9. So when you will be putting this 8 into 2, 16 minus 20 divided by 3. Answer will be coming out to be 37 by 3. C is the right answer. So 37 by 3 will be the right answer for this. So guys, like this question, we have one more question of this type I am doing in front of you if you are facing any difficulty in this type. And before that, I would like to tell you, if you want one-to-one counseling for free with our counselor for any exam like GATE and ESE, you can directly call on this number, or you can also fill the counseling form available in the description box. And if you have already made the mind for GATE 25 and 26, our vision batches, which includes the live classes, practice quizzes, recorded lectures, mock test and study material, all are available in one umbrella. Moving to the next question, guys. If we are talking about this question, the directional derivative of the function f(x square minus y square plus 2z square) at this point in the direction of PQ, okay, where P is there, Q point is defined. So how to solve this type of question? I am telling you, first of all, we will be making the vector PQ. So when we are going to make the vector PQ, it is going to be, Q point is 5, 0, 4. It is 1, 2, 3. So I will be writing 5 minus 1 I cap. Then 0 minus 2 j cap. Then 4 minus 3 k cap. So PQ vector is coming out to be 4 I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. Is it clear, guys? Yes, this is the PQ vector, and now we are already having a function f, x square minus y square plus 2z square. P point 1 to 3 is given to us. So you can go for del f when you will be going for del phi into PQ vector divided by PQ vector ka mode. That is what you need to find out as direction derivative. Okay, so let us see how many of you are able to solve this question. We will be solving it like this. We would be having del f by del x I cap. This will give us 2x I cap. Then del f by del y will give us minus 2y j cap. Then plus 2 4 z k cap. And this is at point P. What is P point? 1, 2, 3. Into PQ vector is 4i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap divided by 4 ka square 16 plus 2 ka square 4 plus 1. So guys, when you will be solving this, you will be getting the direction derivative. Putting x as 1, it is 2i cap. Putting y as 2, it is 2 into 2 minus 4j cap. Putting z into is equals to 3 plus 12k cap. Into 4i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap divided by under root of 21. When you will be solving this, you will be getting the answer. 2 into 4 is 8 plus 8 plus 12 divided by square root of 21. We are getting 28 by square root of 21. B is the right answer. Very good, Omkar. Very good, Srinath. Bahut badhiya, guys. So we have done 11 questions. Now we are left with 8 more questions. Next question is coming from the side of probability. Let us see how many of you give right answer for this. This is easy question now. A fair coin is tossed 3 times in succession. If the first toss produces a head, already it is given that first is producing a head, then the probability of getting exactly 2 heads in 3 tosses. So that is what you need to answer. It is a good question of probability. So one question we have from this part, second will be from the distribution part. Okay. Then after that we have 2 questions from differential equation, one from numerical method, one from Laplace, one from complex numbers. Everybody try to solve it. A fair coin is tossed 3 times in succession. If the first toss produces a head, that is fixed. Find the probability of getting 2 heads in the 3 tosses. First you will give the answer, then I will tell you how to do this. So those who know how to do, they can perform it. Rest just try and wait for a minute. Then I will start doing solution. Very good everyone. Okay. Musi Games is saying C. What about others? First of all, I would like to tell you, you need to make the sample space. You are saying that 3 times we are having a coin to be tossed. When you are tossing a coin for 3 times, majority of you would be saying yes. Whenever we are talking about the sample space, they are saying that already first time head is produced. So the first coin, when first time you are having the coin and you are going for toss, the result of that is already known to us. So if first is head, then when I make the sample space, first head is fixed. In the second position and third position, I can have both the tails. I can also have both the heads. I can also have one tail, one head like this, or one head, one tail like this. So if you see, they are saying what is the probability of getting two heads. Sample space is this much only. Okay, because they are not saying ki we are tossing a coin for 3 times independently. No, it is not like that. First output is already known to us. If we already know that the second test match of India and England, India already won. If someone will ask you what is the probability of winning the second match between India and England, it is 100% India because already result is known to us. Okay, so that is why this is going to be the sample space. And 2 times head I am getting here, exactly 2 times head I am getting here and here. This and this are my expectations fulfilled. So you can say probability of E is nothing but this is 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Answer will be B. Because it was already fixed that first time we are going to get the head. So that is why answer is going to be B, not C. I feel everybody understood their mistake. Ajay, very good. So moving further, Omkar, very good. Moving further to the next question, question number 13. So 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. The probability that the sum of number on both exceeds 8. Tell me guys, this time. Tell me guys this time. Sum exceeds 8. You know that this time the total number of sample space will be 6 ka square 36. There is no problem in that. So we need to find out n of E. Then we can find out probability. And for that you need the probability. Sum of number on both exceeds 8. Exceeds 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12. Solve it guys. 9, 10, 11, 12. These possibilities you need to consider. 9 can come when we are having 6, 3, 3, 6, 5, 4, 4, 5. We can get 10, 6, 4, 4, 10, 5, 5. 11 can come. Twelve can come. Everybody can give the answer now. This total size is 10. So answer for this probability is NE by NS. 10 by 36 guys. Answer will be D for this. Very good Ajay. Very good Omkar. Srinath. Moving to question number 14 guys. This is from distribution. Binomial distribution. A lot of 10% defective items. 10 items are chosen randomly from this lot. The probability that exactly 2 of chosen items are defective. Yes. So you can consider here X is number of defective items and you need to select P and Q. Okay, for that they have already mentioned that P is 10% means 0.1 and Q is 1 minus P, that is 0.9. Now you need to find out the probability of X is equals to 2. Solve it by your own. Srinath, note, I never said that these are PYQs. They are not PYQs. 1 to 2 maybe, okay, but I have not taken them directly from previous year's questions. I don't feel on the thumbnail it was not written that it is PYQ session. It was non-tech express. Ajay is saying the answer to be B. Okay, that is good. What about others? You know the formula? NCR PR QN minus R. So 10C2 0.1 की power 2 0.9 की power 10 minus 2. Answer will be coming out to be what Ajay have given. B is the right answer. But dear, this type of questions will be coming, that is sure. Okay. So moving to the next question, guys, we are about to complete now differential equation question. Now we reach to differential equation question. We have covered matrix, calculus, vector calculus, probability. This is differential equation. After that we will have numerical method, complex variable. The solution of the differential equation x dy by dx plus y is equals to 0. Satisfying y2 is minus 2 is it is very easy, I feel so. Try this. Very easy to separate the variables here. Solve it, guys. Solve it. And I would like to say, guys, for your wonderful response, we are also very happy. Many students after GATE exam have sent the messages that, sir, whatever in the last days we have learned from you, that was very helpful for GATE exam, and many things directly came. That's great. Hope so कि in engineering services also you get that benefit from this channel. Four more questions, guys, after this. Solve it. This is so I feel you will go for integration now. Yes, everybody, you will get ln y, ln x, ln c. So we can write xy is equals to constant. Now they have given for x is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 2. So c will be coming out to be minus 4. So xy is equals to minus 4. C is the right answer. रोहित बार का भी करेंगे ESC के बाद. Exam after exam we are covering. Till yesterday we were taking GATE. This week is dedicated for engineering services. After that we will have bar classes. Question number 16, guys. Differential equation once again. Question number 16. I am simplifying it for you. dy by dx can also be written as e की power x into e की power y. Now you can do this in the same way like we have done the previous case and try to solve it. 3 more questions after this. One from complex, one from Laplace, one from numerical methods. And do like and share the session, guys. Solve it, everyone. Okay, guys. So when you will be having dy by e to the power y e to the power x into dx, e to the power minus y dy, e to the power x dx. Now go for integration. When you will be going for integration, you would be getting here minus e to the power minus y is equals to e to the power x plus c. Okay, so it is e की power x plus e की power minus y is equals to c. Now we will be putting the values, है ना? What is the value? X is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. So I will be getting e plus e की power minus 1 is equals to c. So we can write it e plus 1 upon e. You can also write it as e square plus 1 upon e, है ना? And that is the value of c. And we are putting the value e की power x plus e की power minus y is equals to e square plus 1 upon e. Now you need to find out the value when x is equals to minus 1. Put x is equals to minus 1. You will be getting e to the power minus 1, e to the power minus y, e square plus 1 by e. From here you will be getting the value of y. I feel from this y value will be coming out to be what? Solve it. I feel you will be getting minus 1. Clear for everyone? Y value will be coming out to be minus 1. So B would be the right answer. Everybody understood? Please tell me, guys. Omkar, Srinath, Ajay. So we are left with last three questions, guys. Last three questions. Moving further. Question number 7. This is 17. From Laplace inverse e की power minus s by s minus 1, s minus 2. So I feel this type of question we have done for gate also. We will go for partial fraction. S minus 2, s minus 1 we have. It can be written as s minus 2 minus 1 by s minus 1. Because when you will be having here s minus 1 minus s, you will be getting this. So this is by partial fraction. If you are going for Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 2 minus 1 by s minus 1, it would be coming out to be what? It would be coming out to be what? It would be coming out to be e की power 2t minus e की power t. है ना? But you are also having in multiplication e की power minus s. So because of that, if you want Laplace inverse of e की power minus s by s minus 1, s minus 2, you would be getting e की power 2t minus e की power t into u of t minus 1. Is it clear for everyone, guys? Okay, yes, here also it would be coming t minus 1, t minus 1. This t minus 1 is coming because of this minus s. Okay. So guys, this is question number 17 from Laplace. Moving to question number 18 now. And this is from complex variables. The second last question. Fz is z square minus 1, z plus 1, z minus 1 cube. Then the point z is equals to 1 is. As you can see, the numerator phi of z is z square minus 1. Okay, phi z is this. And when you will be finding out phi dash z, it will be coming out to be 2z. So you can see that here z minus 1 की power cube, and here it can be written as z plus 1, z minus 1. So 1 z minus 1 will get cancelled out, so it is the pole of order 2. Okay, it is the pole of order 2 because this is power 3, 1 you will get cancelled out, so you will be having it is the pole of power order 2. I am going here fastly because I know some of the civil peoples may not be studying complex variables in GATE. So this is the last question from numerical methods, and starting from x naught is equals to 1, one step of Newton-Raphson method is solving the equation gives the next value. I am giving you hint, x1 is x naught minus f dash x naught by f x naught. Solve this. Last question from my side. With this we will close the today's session, and tomorrow we are meeting for the basics of project management, important subject specifically for civil mechanical students, because they have technical connections with that subject as well. So try to solve it, guys. Yes, everybody. I feel everybody can understand. Fx is f dash x is so when you will be putting initial value is x naught is 1. Put these values, you will get the answer. Very good, Srinath. C is the right answer. And with this, guys, we have completed all the questions. Okay. So, guys, tomorrow we are meeting for basics of project management. I am once again telling you, tomorrow we are meeting for basics of project management. Okay. And then day after tomorrow we will meet for basics of material science. Srinath's second question was this. And I will be sharing this PDF on the Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. So you can download the PDF from there as well. Same, Omkar, tomorrow will be 9 PM only. Tomorrow will be 9 PM only. Okay. Goodbye, guys, for this particular session.